So this is what happens when you can't find the mount for your GoPro, but guess what? I found the mount for my GoPro, so I'm going to go ahead and spend a week getting these things off. You guys sit through the intro. When you come back, we should be ready to go. I think we're already ready. Why there an empty table? We'll take care of it. Hey guys, how you doing? Joe here, and today's video is going to be another unboxing. It's a little bit different from the standard unboxing in that it's not really a mystery, although it's partially a mystery. And let me explain. I've bought two Fox Airsoft boxes, and I've thoroughly enjoyed both of them. I got the AAPO1, which I've actually sold, I didn't care for it, and the John Wick TTI Jag Arms 2011. That one was awesome, I'm keeping that one. Well, I decided I wanted to go on Evike and see what they had and maybe get something. I missed the open box thing they had, and I really wasn't feeling spending 200 bucks on something because it was probably going to be like an AEG, and I think for my first AEG I want to pick that rather than get a random one. However, I did see they had some Boneyard stuff and some other deals, so I went ahead and perused through there. I grabbed the swag pack and a couple of other things. If you've never ordered from Evike before, you will be able to use a 15% discount code. I believe it's right in their website, you can see it. However, you still have to spend over $100 if you want free shipping. Well, I picked a Boneyard gun and the swag pack, but because of the discount, it wound up bringing it back down to like $84. So what I had to do was spend another $15. Basically, I got $15 for free to spend in the store. So I got some other stuff, and we'll talk about that as we open it up. However, I don't know what's in the swag pack. There was some cool stuff you could get. You could get a Chrono Blaster, which is like the ultimate prize. Then there were some M4 AEGs. This is not one of those. It could be a pistol. Hopefully it's something cool. It would be nice. I think the EMG TTIs were in there, the EMG version of the John Wick gun. So we're going to go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Like I said, I know two of the items. They aren't a surprise. What is a mystery is the swag pack and the condition of the open box, or excuse me, Boneyard gun that I bought. So let's go ahead. The tape over here is a little bit weak, so we'll just do that. That's convenient. Oh, yeah, before I get into that, though, check this guy out. This is a Red Ryder BB gun, steel BB. It's a model 1938. Yeah, 1938 B. This is a just pellet gun, 177 or 4.5 millimeters. I got this in a local auction from an auction house. I've started taking a look at that, and you're going to see some other videos because I picked up a bunch of tech stuff. This guy was only $12 plus 10%, so it wound up being $13.20 for a functioning, I've tested it, Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. You'll put your eye out, kid. Not this time, Daddy. That's creepy, me saying Daddy. So let's go ahead and open this up. And sorry, I'm wearing my gray hat, and I didn't realize that when I wear the gray hat and I'm looking at the GoPro, it makes my head look super tall. There, is that better? Now you can't see my eyes. I'm Asian, you can't see them anyways. Opening up the box, there's obviously paper, which I actually need because I sell stuff on eBay, and this is good packing material. Let's see here. The new releases with EMG product poster. I'll look at that later. Everybody has to go to the bathroom. This bag, they combined everything since it was 3 separate items from 3 different sections of the store. And since I had to spend a little bit extra in order to get the free shipping back, I went ahead and got some more green gas. These are normally like $17.99 for the pair, but because of the $15 coupon I had, or 15% coupon I had, this wound up being like $2. And you can never have enough green gas. I now have 4 cans. Here's the swag pack. Let's go ahead and grab this out. I'm going to de-tape it. Oh, that came off pretty clean. And what we have here is a Kada block gun M23 pistol. It's a Lego gun. Launch bullets. Has a trigger, bullet loader, and hammer. That's kind of cool. It says 412 pieces, which is 411 more than I feel like putting together, so this will be going to somebody else. Inside the swag pack, you get a big thing of masks, which it said every box got. A multi-ended quick charge cable. That's convenient. I have one hooked up to my laptop right now, but I need another one for at the house. So I'll test it, and if it actually works, that'd be nice. It says it can charge up to 2.1 amps, so we'll see what happens. One of these playing card things. This is the weapons cache card. I'm not 100% sure what I need to be doing with it, but this is the M249 paramilitary saw. That's the one with the stock that twists and collapses. And I'll just throw these on the floor. This, pardon the noise, is the main thing that I had purchased. This is a Elite Force/Umarex licensed Glock 17 Gen 3 CO2 pistol. Now, it was sold under the Boneyard, and for those of you not familiar, Boneyard is listed when you're looking at the guns, display, store example, non-firing, or refurbished. So let's go ahead and see how good it looks. You're seeing it for the first time before me. I don't want it to fall out. How's it look? Does it look good? The box is a little beat up. How's that look? Okay. Okay. So it's definitely modeled after a Gen 3. You can tell by the finger grooves. Somebody has taken the orange tip off in the most aggressive way possible, which I guess is fine. I don't care for the green orange tip, I mean. And they have what appears to be tape. And looking in the box, there's something else in there too. So let me get this tape off real quick. I see a second mag. Because there's the mag that's in the gun. And there's a second mag. So that's awesome. Hopefully they both work. Looks okay. It's not full blowback. A lot of these guns tend to be half blowback like this. And that's perfectly fine. That doesn't matter as long as it has some blowback. Feels a little bit tinny. Let me grab a CO2 cartridge or two and we'll test this thing out. I just grabbed a random CO2 Allen key. So we'll go ahead and do this. Go ahead and thread it in, see if it holds CO2. That mag obviously did not work. Let's try the second mag. Now that my hand's nice and cold. That one worked. So this one took, this one did not. Although it might have just been me because the cylinder still feels loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another cylinder and try this again. Luckily CO2 is cheap. Okay, it actually took that time. I'm just not fast enough with this Allen key. I probably lost a lot from doing that. So let's go ahead and test it. Before we do that, let's make sure that everything is in working order. And there's a BB stuck in it. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my rod and clean it out. This is what I call an overkill rod, but it's designed for 177, so it should definitely work on this guy. Well, the BB fell right out, so. Here we go. That one didn't work. So after tinkering with it, it's the striker is broken. The striker in the back of it that comes forward and smacks the back of the discharge nozzle is no longer there. So something happened, maybe somebody was rapid firing it, who knows what happened. But that's what is wrong with this one currently. So I'm going to disassemble it, take it apart, see if I can fix it. Maybe I just need to order a part off of Evike itself, and then it'll be up and running. So that's not a big deal. I just need to get this thing apart, watch a couple videos, see how to disassemble it, and then I will change that out, and then I should have a fully functioning gun. That was $85, but its resale value is actually about $150 just for the gun, and then the extra mag is like $20 extra. So if I get it up and running, it's about $170 in value for 85 bucks, and I don't think it'll be that hard to fix. So I'm fine with that purchase. This guy, I looked it up. This is a 1 of 50 box, which is cool. It's just not for me. I don't like putting things like this together. My hands don't work very well, so to have to try to do something like this would kill my hands. It's a $20 toy gun, so that is what it is. If you go to buy one of these at like your local Walgreens or Walmart or whatever, these are like $10 to $15 usually. Funny that it's actually branded Evike. That's its main call there. And then that's about it out of there. So that's about it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It wasn't a mystery unboxing, although I do have to say, Fox Airsoft, man, they are on it when it comes to staying in contact with their customers, because I've only made 2 orders with them, and I already got a personalized phone call asking me if I enjoyed the boxes yet and if there's anything else I needed, and that's awesome. So I'm definitely going to buy another box from them. I do have a couple of guns coming still, and then I have to fix this Glock. Once I get this Glock running, I'll do an update video, probably in like a short, saying, hey, look, I got it running. I got a ton of stuff sitting here in my office, so I gotta get it cleaned up. I'm gonna get out of here. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. If you bought one of these, if it had the same problem, I'd be interested in hearing about it. Let me know down below, and as always, I'll talk to you later.